last area to consider is managing the way in which data has been shared with other systems. Sage CRM integrates with a very wide range of Sage accounting products. These are classified by Sage as the Sage 200 Cloud franchise products. You may know them as Sage 100 Cloud, Sage 200 Cloud, or Sage 300 Cloud. And there are no changes planned to any of the integrations to the Sage 200 franchise cloud franchise products in relation specifically with GDPR. This means that the normal rules relating to data synchronization from a Sage accounting system to Sage CRM needs to be understood, and this might cause a piece of data that has been anonymized in Sage CRM to pass in either direction between the two systems, and so there's no difference really in the regular record updates that may occur as part of the integration. Within Sage CRM, person records that are shared with MailChimp or SwiftPage can also be flagged, and where you have got information about personal information contained within a person's Facebook page or a link to a Twitter handle, all contained within a contact, we need to be able to know that we can remove those with the anonymization features. And you also need to understand where data has been passed through to external systems like MailChimp and SwiftPage to be able to see a flag to indicate that a particular company or contact has been synchronized with the external system. So if I go to something like a person summary screen, and this happens to be looking at the summary screen for a contact in Sage CRM, you can see that on this screen that the contact has been sent to MailChimp. And this field is either going to display null, MailChimp, SwiftPage, or SwiftPage and MailChimp. And the information is also shown at the level of the company.